Immaculate 4-bed 2.5 bath, 3,200 square foot stately brick front home located in Wellington Estates. From the moment you walk through the door you can see how much love the sellers have put into their home. This is a great floor plan. There is an office on the first floor, a living and dining room combination, a large attic with breakfast nook which includes granite, tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances and upgraded shelves in the pantry. The kitchen overlooks the family room which has a gas fireplace west/surround that was redone with floor-to-ceiling stone and new mantle. The powder room was remodeled in 2022. There are also hardwood floors that have been refinished, updated wrought iron stair railings, 2021. There is also custom paint throughout and a dual staircase. The HWH is less than 3 years old. Your upstairs has 4 generous-sized bedrooms. The master bed has a large sitting room, walk-in closet, full bath with dual sinks, shower and jacuzzi tub. The upstairs full bath was updated with granite and tile. There is also a full unfinished basement, perfect for storage, or this can be finished off for additional living space. Your outside features consist of a beautiful inground pool installed in 2019, raised patio pavers with gas line and Weber grill with built-in sink. The driveway was redone in 2020, there is freestanding well for irrigation. You can also use this to fill the pool.